Nearly 13 miles of uneven and cracked sidewalks in the Magnolia Greens neighborhood will be under repair within the next month. Town Manager David Hollis said damage to the sidewalks was caused by trees planted along the road. Hollis said he expects the project to take about 4 to 5 months to complete. While repairs will be underway on sidewalks, the town has decided to hold off on a study of the retention pond area within the neighborhood. The study would have aimed to find a solution to flooding experienced in the area during heavy rains. However, the Magnolia Greens Homeowners Association allegedly had a study of the area conducted a year ago, which the town plans to look over before making a decision on whether to have their own study done.